Hello and welcome to our YouTube channel. Are you tired of waiting for your Windows 11 computer to boot up? Well, you're in luck because in this video we're going to show you 4 easy ways to speed up the boot time on your computer. By following these simple tips, you'll be able to get your computer up and running in no time. So let's dive right in. And if you find this video helpful, please like our channel for more tech tips and tricks. Check if Fast Startup is enabled on your Windows 11 computer. This feature combines hibernation and shutdown to speed up the system's start and shutdown process. Although it's usually enabled by default, if it's not, you should turn it on to improve the boot time of your computer. Click the Start button, search for Control Panel and click the top result to open the app. Click on Hardware and Sound in the category view. Click on Power Options. Click the Choose What the Power button does option from the left pane. Click the Change Settings that are currently unavailable option. Check the Turn on Fast Startup option to enable the feature on Windows 11. To speed up your computer's start time, you can stop certain apps from opening automatically when you turn on your computer. Some apps might slow down your computer by running in the background. If you notice that your computer takes a long time to start or certain apps keep popping up when you log in, you can disable them from launching automatically. Click the Start button, then on Settings. Click on Apps, click the Startup tab. Use the Sort By setting and select the Startup Impact option. Turn off the toggle switch to disable programs at startup. Windows 11 has a feature that can reopen apps from your last session to help you resume your work quickly, but this feature might slow down your computer's startup process. If you want your computer to start faster, you can disable the Restartable Apps feature on Windows 11. Click the Start button, then on Settings, click on Accounts, click the Sign In Options tab. Under the Additional Settings section, turn off the Automatically Save My Restartable Apps and restart them when I sign back in toggle switch. If you want to make your Windows 11 computer start up faster, you can adjust the power settings. Windows 11 offers different settings that control how much energy your computer uses. To speed up the boot time, you can switch the power mode to best performance. Click the Start button, then on Settings. Click on System. Click the Power option. Select the best performance option in the power mode setting. Thank you for watching our video. We hope you found it helpful and informative. Don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel for more useful videos like this.